Hi, this is Ashley coming to you from Halton Honda with another great Honda. Today we're looking at a 2017 Honda Odyssey that was a manager's demonstrator, and because it was a manager's vehicle, of course it's a touring edition. This top-of-the-line Odyssey is fully loaded with Honda's safety technology like blind spot information system, forward collision warning, and lane departure warning. Enjoy the convenience of a power liftgate and clean up life's messes with Honda's innovative in-car vacuum system. Even though the Odyssey will accommodate a 4x8 sheet of plywood, their priority is in passenger comfort with leather heated seats and a memory seat for the driver. It even has a cool box up front to keep your drinks cooled on those long family drives. And don't forget the toys for the kids with the ultra-wide rear entertainment system with wireless headsets and built-in remote. Because this vehicle was a Halton Honda Demonstrator, we have full service history. There's nothing mini about this van with too many features to review. So call us today at 905-632-5371.